Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an income generating duplex plus vacant land for sale. This exceptional property is just 15 minutes from Rock Hall Town Center. This spacious duplex residence sits on 5,500 square feet of land, complemented by an adjoining vacant lot spanning nearly 3/4 acre, offering future development potential or expansion. Each self-contained unit features a mirror image layout with three generously sized bedrooms, including ensuite master bathrooms, two full bathrooms, walk-in closets, expansive living and dining areas, modern kitchens, dedicated laundry rooms, private carports, verandahs, and back patios. The upper level also includes staff bathroom, stairway landing, and rooftop terrace. Designed for flexibility, the units are equipped with separate entrances and individual utility meters, ideal for dual rental income or owner occupancy with rental potential. Strata titling application is currently in progress. Enjoy peace and serenity in a scenic neighborhood with tranquil mountain views. Ideally located off the Sligoville Main Road at the border of St. Andrew and St. Catherine. This property is just 50 minutes from the foot of Red Hills. Call today for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is Jamaican 96.5 million, US 611.6 thousand, Canadian 875.5 thousand, Euro 561.8 thousand, or 475.3 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.